Say it with me, baby. 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 Say it.
Hey everyone, I'm Jamia Shantae and welcome back to my channel. Real quick before we get started, I'm going to show you all how I moisturize my hair throughout the week for whenever it just needs a little refreshment. It's super quick and super easy. So I'm going to go ahead and take my leave-in conditioner. It's just water and leave-in and probably regular conditioner in here. I'm going to take this off real quick. So I already kind of laid my edges a little bit. Hopefully they look decent enough for us. So I just like to shake it up and spritz it with the water. I do have it on short, you guys. I'm not naked, I promise. I have it on a tube top. Yes. I like to run my fingers through my hair to make sure it's nice and coated pretty well. Main focus is the ends. That's what dries out the most. With these mini twists, my hair really stays moisturized for a very long time, which is why I like doing them, because I don't have to touch my hair as much. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my shea butter from Shea Moisture. I want to get some actual shea butter, like some, I don't know how, I don't think this is like the good quality one, so, but it's what works now, and it does actually has my hair moisturized. Again, like I said, I focus on my head, on my ends. And I kind of like squeeze my hair to like try to work it through, like a little bit more, picking up that much at a time. And I do this in the morning and at night, just whenever it needs to be refreshed. So now I have my Henny Daddy olive oil. It's very moisturizing to my hair. My hair absolutely loves olive oil. Like, it loves olive oil. Yeah, and shoot, I got a big bottle from Sam's Club, so go right ahead. I keep refilling up whenever I need to. That is literally all I do. My hair is nice and moisturized now. Feels good, it feels great. I haven't really been tying it down either, but it's starting frizzy. I like when it gets frizzy, actually. I really like that, but let's get into the real video.